The Secret of the Old Map. Tom is 11 years old and loves books. Anna is 9 years old and loves adventures. They live in a small, quiet town near a big forest. It is a rainy Saturday afternoon. The sky is gray and water hits the windows. Tom and Anna are bored. They cannot play outside in the garden. What can we do? Anna asks. Tom closes his book. Let's explore the attic, he says. Grandpa's old things are up there. They walk up the narrow, creaking stairs to the top of the house. The attic is dark and dusty. In the corner sits a very old wooden chest with heavy iron corners. Tom finds a small, rusty key behind some old newspapers and opens the lock. Click. Inside the box, at the very bottom, Tom finds a long leather tube. He opens it and pulls out a piece of thick yellow paper. It is a map. Look at this, Anna, Tom says. The map shows their town, but it looks different. It is from 100 years ago. In the middle of the forest, there is a red cross. Next to it, someone wrote, "The Hidden Key." Anna points to the window. Look, Tom. The rain is stopping. The sun is coming out. Tom smiles and puts the map inside his backpack. Get your boots, Anna. Our adventure starts now. Chapter 2. Into the Green Forest. The air outside is cool and clean. Tom and Anna walk quickly and stop at the edge of the big forest. The trees are tall and ancient. A small dirt path goes into the trees. Are you scared? Tom asks. Anna shakes her head. No, I am excited. Let's look at the map. Tom pulls out the old map. The map says we need to walk straight for 15 minutes until we see a large rock shaped like a turtle. They walk along the path. They hear the sweet songs of birds, and a small gray rabbit jumps into the bushes. After 15 minutes, Anna stops and points behind a large pine tree. Tom, look! Is that the turtle rock? It is a giant gray stone. It looks exactly like a slow turtle sleeping in the woods. Yes, that is it, Tom says. Now the map says we must leave the path and walk toward the east to find a small river. Tom takes a small compass out of his pocket to find the way. They push through some thick bushes and suddenly hear the sound of moving water. They find themselves standing next to a beautiful, clear river. We found the river, Anna shouts happily. Tom looks at the yellow paper. His face becomes serious. The map says we must cross the river. But there is no bridge. Chapter 3, The Broken Bridge. Anna looks at the fast water. We cannot swim across, she says. The water is too cold. Tom walks up the riverbank and shouts, Anna, look at this. A giant old oak tree fell across the river a long time ago. It connects their side to the other side. It is a natural bridge, but it is covered in green moss and looks slippery. I will go first, Tom says. Watch my feet. Tom takes a deep breath and steps onto the log. He holds his arms out for balance and walks slowly. Step by step, he reaches the other side. I made it. Now it is your turn, Anna. Go slowly. Anna is nervous. She takes 2 steps onto the log. Suddenly, a large bird flies out of the trees with a loud noise. Anna loses her balance. She slips. Tom! She cries. She falls, but she catches the log with both arms. She is sitting on the log, her legs hanging near the cold water. Tom runs out onto the log quickly. He grabs Anna's hands and pulls her up. Together they walk to the safe riverbank. You are a brave explorer, Tom says. Now we are very close to the Red Cross. We need to find a giant tree with a hollow trunk. They walk for 10 minutes and see it, the biggest tree in the forest. In the front of the trunk, there is a large, dark hole. Chapter 4. The hollow tree. Tom and Anna stand in front of the giant tree. Anna shines a small flashlight into the dark hole. Do you see anything? Tom asks. No, Anna says. Only dirt and leaves. Tom drops to his knees. He reaches his arm deep inside the opening and moves his hand around. His fingers touch something hard and cold. I feel something. He pulls his arm out. He is holding a small, heavy iron box covered in rust. There is a large lock on the front. Open it, Anna says. Tom picks up a sharp stone and hits the old lock hard. Bang! The lock breaks. He opens the metal lid. Inside, sitting on red cloth, is a beautiful silver key shaped like a star. Next to it is a small piece of paper. Tom reads the note out loud. To whoever finds this key. This is the key to the old grandfather clock in the town library. My grandfather hid his most valuable possession inside that clock. Find the clock and discover the truth. Arthur Pendleton, 1952. Arthur Pendleton, Anna says. That was the man who lived in our house before us. Tom looks at the star-shaped key. The real treasure is in the town library. Chapter 5. The Secret of the Clock. The sun is setting when Tom and Anna arrive at the town library. It is quiet inside, and the smell of books fills the air. They walk to the history section in the back. Standing in a dark corner is a very tall, beautiful grandfather clock made of dark wood. It does not work anymore. At the very top, there is a small keyhole in the shape of a star. Tom takes the silver key out of his pocket and puts it into the hole. It fits perfectly. He turns the key. Clack. A secret door on the side of the clock opens. Inside, there is a small package wrapped in brown paper. Tom pulls it out and unties the string. Inside is an old leather journal and some official documents with gold seals. Tom reads the journal, whisper, I am hiding my family's greatest treasure here, the original plans of our town and the legal papers for the community park. This land belongs to the children of the town forever. It can never be sold, Anna gasps. Tom! Last week, Mom said the city wants to sell the park to build a big supermarket. Everyone is sad. Not anymore, Tom smiles. These papers prove the park belongs to the children. They take the package to the old librarian. When she sees the gold seals, she cries happy tears. You found them! You saved our town park. The next day, Tom and Anna are in the town newspaper. That evening, they sit on their sofa at home and look at the empty map tube. Are there any more boxes in the attic, Tom? Anna asks with a smile. Tom laughs. Maybe, Anna, we can look next Saturday.